Happy. This is from a week ago. So much has happened in a week. You've already played your first tournament. All right, now you're playing and practicing every day. Okay, so look at this swing. This is after we've worked for a little while. All right, and then what were we talking about yesterday? Our big message yesterday was focusing on this triangle here. Okay. Ooh. Okay. So taking it away. Now we've lost our triangle and we're losing it here. Feeling that ball in between the arms to see where it gets into here. That ball's falling out for sure. Okay, so look at this. So we were cranking out that retractable grip trainer, feeling this two-step. We were hitting some of that, trying to keep this triangle more intact. So as we see where you're going here, you're stepping and then boom, keeping the triangle. Now I don't know where you're looking here, but right for a second, make sure we keep looking at the ball. But this is also the big deal we were talking about yesterday too as well, is we're talking about this foot. Dumped, loss of power, it's on the outside. All right, so we were working on that. We were trying to get that Nelly Corda feel where we're feeling that action, more of that bend in here. We're fighting for that space in there. It's better. All right, so then we can get that picture where we were seeing where the arms and the club are in one line here. Okay. But I like how the foot's moving through there. So check this. All right, so then we were hitting the bag as well. Okay, so look where this goes to. Boom. Look at our triangle now. Look at your arms. Boom. Look at that impact position. Fantastic. Way better. Now, what did I keep bringing up about this foot? See this? All your weight is on the outside here. It's all on the outside here. And then all on the outside. I need it pushing. I need it rocking this direction. More. So you can kind of see that motion when that heel kicks out this way. I mean, this is already way better. You're already feeling more of this, that extension there. But I think too that I like this bag good for so many reasons. I like combining the arms staying together and then hitting this bag. I think to hit this bag with force, I think kind of gives you that better illustration too of like, hey, you can hit this thing with some oomph, you know, and like feeling or allowing yourself. All right, so check this out. So now let's kind of compare these a little bit. I want you to see the direction, the overall direction of the club head. And the low point, we were talking about that attack angle, getting that attack angle be more negative. This club head is traveling more this way and then moving up already. This one's moving more this direction. So the low point's more here versus the low point over here. Okay, so if you watch that again, it's moving more wider, throwing it out early, and it's already moving up. That club head we were seeing on that video is flipping. That thing's going left versus this one, boom. First off, look at the triangle. Look at the difference there. Fantastic. I know different full swing versus this half swing. Totally different intention, but still just the difference here, especially how I think it was really nice with that little device to show you, hey, the click needs to happen later and harder, right? That release needs to happen later. Boom. Look at this right arm. Look at our triangle. Problems. And then if we could look here to more of a straight line versus starting to get more of that action, way better. Fantastic. Now, hitting a golf ball versus hitting the bag, sure, but still way better. So let's focus on the triangle this week. Let's hit more of those half swings. We're going anti-flip. We're going to get rid of the flip. And then we're also going to focus on this foot because look where you were. So let's do more of those half swings and let's get that foot more on the inside here, okay? And pushing out that big toe that direction. Cool? Sound good? All right, no more left. Anti-flip. Talk to you soon.